So the setup, Jonesy, basically is, okay, all but one stock in the Mag 7 is signaling bullish trend. Most of them are signaling bullish trade and trend. And that one thing is the first one to report, which is Google. It's neutral, which means it's actually just above the trend it closed on yesterday. So the market's really, starting to feel that itch. But, that's the problem here for Google bears would be that everybody's position bearish. I already showed you the implied vol setup, right? 158% implied vol premium. That means that people are buying the living daylights out of Google's puts. Okay, so Google would be the number one thing to be concerned about because it's the only one that says neutral, but it's really bullish and it needs to confirm bullish. So those are important setups because we have the river card coming out, which is, again, do they beat? Does the stock go up if they beat? Do they miss? Does the stock go up? I don't care about beat or miss. That's bullshit. That's Wall Street talking points. Think about it. CNBC has no models. The only thing they can do is look at a consensus estimate. And companies are very good at changing what the estimates are behind the scenes. So a beat. Now, what we care about is an acceleration or a deceleration in revenue growth for growth companies. Okay, that's number one, pod one. Okay, so if that happens, Jonesy, what I thought was interesting today, Friedman said, look, on their mainline advertising business, we're lower than the street, and he was last quarter too. So we're expecting that to go down. But B, wait on it. They have this thing called, I don't even know what the hell it's called, but it's AI, right? They have some kind of a thing that they're going to talk about on AI. And if that's embedded in the Google browser or in the Chrome browser, and they get people excited about that, then that could offset this. Well, in my methodology, if the total revenue growth continues to decelerate, but they just talk up this, I wouldn't buy that, right? But the street during a bubble is going to buy that because that's all they talk about, right? So I think that's going to be the ongoing theme here is who's looking. Don't look at my core business over here like AMAT did and then eventually blew up. That's a short of ours, AMAT by Felix Wong. Look at this over there, right? Don't look at the core, look at the AI. Dan Ives. At some point, that's going to run out of gas, but I'm willing to believe that they believe that for now because Qs are signaling all-time highs. So that's how I think about all that.